what? N S2 N minus 1 as NS2 NS2 N minus N P6 N minus 1 D1 to 10. Thank you. This is the system titanium to zinc and S2 and P6 NS2 N minus 1 P6 N4 N minus 1 P6 and then N minus 1 D 1 to 10. This is a common system, d orbital system. And F orbital, what happened? What happened? Copper. I also explained copper. 29. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6, 3 is 2, 3p6, 3d10, 4 is 2, and 4p6, 4p. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, our principle, 2p6, 3 is 2, 3p6, 4 is 2, and 3p6, 4 is 2, 3d. Sir, I have to know necessarily 4p. 3d. 3d what? 2 to 4, 6, 10, 12, 18, 19, 20, 9. So I have to arrange this system applying 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6, 3 is 2, 3p6, 3d10, 9 or 4 is 2. Outer 4. Outer principal quantum number is 4 as 2. And then what? 4 is to P, not necessarily as P. And P6, D, and 4 to less 1, and minus 1, D 1 to 10. Copper 19. Zinc 20. 30. 29. Copper 29 and zinc 30. Zinc 10. Copper sulfate is a blue color shape in compound. What is the it is blue color because 9 D9 copper, and it is if it is it will remove S from S orbital. The orbital 9. So when and is the colorful compound because BXO XY DYZ not fulfilled. ZX DX square Y square DZ square. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This electron is resonancing slowly. If react copper, this electron upper level and this two electron lower level, it's called orbital shape